Hello. Okay, next Omegle video. Today I'm meant to be dressed up as a broken doll. I thought this one might be intriguing to take on Omegle. Why not? If you'd like to learn how to do this makeup for yourself, I'll flash the link on the screen up there. And with all that said, let's jump on Omegle.
What the f?
Bro. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Ew. Okay.
Ew.
I'm sorry.
Ew. Stop looking at my crack.
I know you.
Is it the gash? It's always the gash.
Dude, I know you. You do this. You do this. You do this, dude.
I don't know. It might not be me. You might be thinking of someone else.
But I'm not. I'm not. Dude, you're creeping me out, man.
Hello. Please don't squeeze my titty. I'm not a zombie. I'm a doll. Rude. Yeah, I thought that would happen. Hi.
What the fuck? You a whole bitch.
Sweetheart, I could go and swallow a bunch of Scrabble tiles and shit a better insult than that. Try again.
Fuck you.
No, thank
You a
you.
bitch. Fuck you.
Oh my god, your mum should have swallowed you. It's Batman. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
I've been fine. So, what's going on here?
Wait, are you the Joker?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
He's the fucking Joker.
I could be.
You don't think so? Or are you the Joker?
I don't know now. You're giving me an existential crisis. Jesus.
Are you the Joker?
I don't know.
Are you the Joker?
I don't know.
Are you the Joker?
I don't know. Maybe.
The Joker.
What? What? Hi.
Oh, hi. Can I see your booty hole?
No. I don't have any holes. I'm a doll. I'm smoother than a veal cutlet down there.
Oh.
Oh. Hi.
Hola.
Yes.
Ay, Dios mío. Ay, mierda.
Thank you.
Ay, no. No. Ay, no, siento que... No.
Fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god. For God's
I'm
sake.
sorry.
No, that's a YouTuber.
Shit, I almost got a heart attack. Hi.
I'm sorry. Hi.
I love the dress.
Thank you.
I love your eyes.
What a lovely thing to say to someone. Thank you.
Oh my fucking god. You look like... oh my fucking god. You look like the person in my next relationship.
For a second then, I thought you was going to say I look like Annabelle. Everyone tonight has been saying, are you Annabelle or do you know Annabelle? Of course I'm not bloody Annabelle. Look at me. I don't look like Annabelle. Annabelle couldn't hold a freaking candle to me. Literally. She's got cheap weave. Shit's made of acrylic. She'd fucking melt. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Wait. Question. What happened to your face? Why are you all broken up?
Well, you know Nightmare Before Christmas? When Sally
Yeah.
throws herself out of the tower because she wants to be with Jack. It's very romantic.
Yeah.
Not that. I just did a bunch of meth.
Damn.
Damn. Damn.
I know. Wait, hold on. What the fuck? No, don't do that. Alright, you scared me already, bro. Yeah, God bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Jesus, why can't I skip this shit?
Whoops. Hi. And of course it's a cock. Can't go on Omegle without seeing a cock. Blood. Why is it bigger in the middle?
Yo, what the hell are you?
Are you serious? I'm a doll.
Wait, why are you a doll?
It's Thursday. I had the dress, so I decided to get dolled up. Hey.
Wait, are you from YouTube? You are kind of cute as a doll.
Thank you. Oh.
What the fuck is happening?
See, I'm black. I don't deal with shit like.
Hi.
Looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Will you marry me?
Oh, sweetheart, no, but thank you for the offer.
Okay, I'll marry your mother.
Hi.
Yo, what is this? Is the bottom half fake? That looks fake.
It's not fake, it's real. Oh my god! That's why I like cock so much. Who knew? Huh.
Shut the fuck up.
Well, that's neat. Is that a mask?
No.
Oh, wow. That's even cooler.
Thank you.
Very good. How long did that take to put on?
About as long as it takes an American to say Worcestershire sauce.
No, see, you already got me, because I will butcher that word.
At least you're honest.
Damn, Shawty, you looking sexy and fuck.
Thank you. Oh, it was a drive-by complimenting. Never had that before.
Oh wow, hi.
Hi.
I don't know how to feel about this. This is intense.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is fucked.
No, but no.
What am I even looking at?
What the hell?
It's Brian! Hi!
No.
I don't know what's happening. Hi! Hi!
Oh, you look so cute.
Thank you. Do you like my hair, by the way?
I do. It's so cute, Fluffy. It looks so soft.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, the little girl that owns me did it. She calls me a pretty little doll. I call her a